Social psychology is a study of how one person's thoughts and behaviors are influenced by others. It is one of the most important and oldest forms of psychology. You have the first experiment in 1898 with Norman Triplett, who had bicyclists race against each other and then race against the clock, only to discover that we race faster when competing. And this idea that we perform better in the presence of others is called social facilitation or co-action. In the 1930s, social psychology actually rewrote history, with Kenneth and Mamie Clark having 3 to 5 year old black children play with white dolls and black dolls and answer questions like which doll is the meanest, prettiest, smartest, ugliest. And at just the age of 3 to 5, these children were already discriminating against the dolls that looked just like them. This became one of only 5 court documents that were used in the 1954 Supreme Court case, Brown versus Board of Education, where it was decided that segregating schools was unconstitutional. In the same year, by the way, 1954, Leon Festinger was infiltrating a doomsday cult, only to discover that the day after the doomsday, the participants of the cult doubled down on their beliefs. In 1951, Solomon Asch showed that we could conform so hard that we wouldn't believe our eyes. In 1961, Stanley Milgram showed that as long as we can blame an authority, we could administer fatal electric shocks to a complete stranger. And in 1971, Philip Zimbardo showed that if we were the authority, we could abuse that power very quickly. The key is in the words of the social psychologist Kurt Levin: behavior is a function of a person and their environment. The more you understand social psychology, the more you can control the environment's control over you.